So after days, weeks, months of running our detailing business, what do we do to relax and have some fun? This is what we do. Come along, let me show you the trails. Oh, and when we get home, we have got some cleaning to do. These are gonna get dirtier. This is how one chills in a yurt.
What'd you say?
Oh, hi.
Oh, hello.
So if you're into riding ATVs or dirt bikes, this place has it all. Everything from beginner trails all the way to expert trails, which we actually went down one by accident. The trails aren't perfectly marked, but you know what? It's all part of the adventure. The views were incredible. On the loop of trails that we did for those 2 days, they had these overlooks over the power lines and the mountains, and it was incredible. So if you want views, this is also one of the places to go.
I do not have a proper outfits.
No, you don't. Now, if you want to take your ATV or dirt bike or all-terrain vehicle through mud holes, this place also has a ton. We did go during the dry season, so there weren't as many, but the ones that we did go through were extremely fun. Make sure to have a partner with you because you will get stuck. Again, all part of the adventure. Today is day 2, and we had a little mishap yesterday. My machine, the rear bolt off the one of the suspension control arms, just came off, and I thought I broke it, but came back this morning, and the customer service here at the Kairos Resort is incredible. So the guy actually came out, we found the bolt, tightened it back in, tightened all of them to make sure everything was good. Lifesaver. We're back on the trails. Look at this view. Hopefully this day goes well. We're packed. We're ready for some riding. All right, so we took a little break. We're getting totally lost out here in the trails, but it's kind of fun. Look at this. It's so peaceful. Yeah, so if you have machines that work properly and they're not too old like ours, these machines can take it, but we just have to be careful with them. Now I know what you may be thinking. We have these little four-wheelers and we're going off these tiny little jumps, but you know what? We don't want to hurt ourselves, so we're not going to try anything too crazy. This was kind of our comfort zone. If you're into bigger jumps, this place has it too. So guys, today is the last day of riding and it is gorgeous. The weather here has been perfect. It's been like 70s and sunny, and we're like the only ones here riding on the trails. There's a few other people here, but it's kind of the off season, which is perfect. This is exactly our style. So yeah, we just stopped for a little break here on this lookout. It's awesome. What the deer doing? So we definitely got these four-wheelers nice and muddy. If you want to see us clean these things up, check out the next video at the end. And I know what you might be thinking, these are small machines. They're only 220, like that's my 220, she's got a 250. They're small, right? But they're definitely pretty mean machines and they can handle some of the toughest terrain out here. It's pretty cool. Guys, if you're enjoying these videos so far, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss stuff. Now, this is just kind of a little excursion vacation video that I want to share with you guys. Let me know down below if this is something you want to see more of, because we go e-biking and we're going to go ATVing a lot more often. Do you enjoy these videos? Is this something you'd like to see more of and talk about more? Let me know down below. If not, then subscribe anyway and enjoy the other detailing videos, as well as detailing business advice and tips on our detailing workshop channel. So go and check that link out down below. Our poor Lexus is also super nasty. We're going to have to do a whole video on cleaning all this stuff.